In this video, I'm going to introduce and use my new watercolor set. So this is a really nice set. Look at all the different colors that it comes in. It does have this nice little notebook with thick paper, so you can create some really cute stuff and the watercolor won't leak to the back. Look at how strong and sturdy this little notebook is and how sturdy the pages are. You can see it comes with a user manual with how to care for it and how to use this product and how to blend the colors. The palette is magnetic, so it magnetically attaches, and then you put the paint on one side, and then when you fill the water in the pen, you can use the right side to dilute the paint to get that perfect watercolor look and watercolor texture. Really easy to put the water in. You just unscrew it, fill it up with the water. There's two different brush sizes. So you can see me here just putting the paint on the palette. So we're going to use red and yellow for this project. And I'm going to put the red in one square and I'm going to put the yellow in another square. Then I'm going to dab my brush in the paint, let the water liquid come through, and get that perfect watercolor texture. I want to point out that the paint palette is solid walnut wood, so it's nice quality. And of course it has the magnets to hold it together and that solid clip. This would be a really meaningful and awesome gift. Good for beginners and even for advanced people that want to take their painting on the go. It's portable. It is a complete all-in-one kit. It is a perfectly and carefully curated gift for birthdays, holidays, graduates, and more. I had a lot of fun using the little notebook it came with, but I also used it on my Bible to highlight some of my favorite verses.